A little bit of volatility this morning. We had U.S. stocks lower in the pre-market, move above the flat line, and then back down below it as I speak to you right now with long rates moving. As I speak to you right now, we've got the NASDAQ down about 0.8%, the S&P down about 0.3%, the Russell's down about 0.25%, and the Dow Jones is just below the flat line, down about 0.1%. Yesterday, we had short rates jump. We had a move in the 2-year note of about 8 basis points. Today, we've got the longer term rates jumping, a 10-year move, 11 basis point move in the 10-year, a 10 basis point move higher in the 20-year, and an 8 basis point move higher in the 30-year. All the flash PMIs from market that we got, Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US, all beat expectations except for one. US services market flash PMI came in 0.2 lower than expected. So not a big miss, but still a miss, but that's the only one. Everywhere else, it was a little bit of stronger data on this market, manufacturing, composite, and service PMI, again, from Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US. Virus cases still an issue. Germany had a 50% increase in cases over the weekend. SPR release was announced by the US in a concerted effort with other governments. 50 million barrels will be released in December, but that really only amounts to about 3 days of usage in the US, and we've got crude oil actually higher, up almost 2% at one point. Looks like the market was expecting a lot more to be released, or at least a steady schedule of releases rather than this just one-time 50 million barrel release. This is probably not enough to move OPEC in terms of their production, however. So that's the good part of this. Now, looking ahead, we do have a 7-year note auction today. President Biden is speaking on the economy this afternoon. And then we've got a huge data dump before the Thursday Thanksgiving closure tomorrow morning. We've got German November reading of business climate in the U.S. We get the second estimate for quarter-over-quarter GDP for the second quarter, October durable goods, and one-day early reading of jobless claims, plus October PCE price data, personal income, personal spending, and the final November Michigan sentiment figures, and the FOMC minutes, all coming out tomorrow.